Welcome. In this video, you'll get to know how to connect to your company data and get instant insights of data that you're using in your Microsoft Dynamics NAV or Navision clients. The installation package consists of two BIView for NAV tools. One is BIView NAV Desktop Client and the other one is the BIView for NAV Configurator. In order to see and use your company live data, you'll need to make a connection to your company's SQL database with help from BIView for NAV Configurator. There are 3 easy steps in the process and all will be explained in this video. It doesn't matter on which computer you install the package, with BIView for NAV Configurator, you can connect to any database, anywhere, but of course, you need system administrator rights to do so. If you don't, or don't know if you have them, then we suggest you install the package with help from your systems administrator. First of all, BIView for NAV Configurator demands that you run it as a system administrator. Right-click and run as system administrator. In order to connect to your Navision database, you need to set a connection. Click on the Advanced Connection properties. Now we have to specify the server name, provide login information, and choose the database. Server name consists of an IP address and the name of an instance. For example, 10.10.10.20 / instance name. Or insert the name of the computer and the name of the instance in your database. Make sure you input it correctly. Use /. We assume your database is protected, so you'll need a username and password that has full access to reading data from your database. Again, if you don't have one, ask your system administrator for help. This is a Windows system requirement and it must be sorted out from a system perspective in order to function properly. I'll use my created user for demo purposes with the username BIView and my own password. If you're logged on as a system administrator and you're running the database off your own computer, then you can use Windows NT Integrated Security Logon. If you've set all the parameters right, then you should be able to open a drop-down list with all available databases. If you have many, make sure you choose a dynamic Navision database. Again, ask your administrator for additional information in case you need it. In trial mode, you can explore data for only one company at once. In case you run your Dynamics for NAV for more than one company, then you represent a candidate for an advanced package of BIView for NAV. Send us a quote for more information. For now, choose the company you want to observe. Okay, only 2 more stunts to do. Set a date range and input account numbers for income and expenses of charts of accounts. Setting date range will show you only data from a selected period of time. By default, you can select the bottom limit and it will fill the repository with data from a selected date to the present. To set an upper limit, click on Date Range and select the wanted range. Input the first number that you can find in your numbers of charts of accounts in your Dynamics NAV or Navision for income and expenses. Every country has their own accounting standards. Check in your accounting department which are those first numbers for income and expenses. Confirm with OK and refresh dashboards. Click Finish to close BIView for NAV Configurator. You can now open the BIView for NAV Desktop Client and start working with your latest refreshed data. Just be sure to click the Update button to load all recent data from the BIView repository. That was a short introduction of the BIView for NAV configuration and how to connect to your Dynamics NAV database. Thank you for watching and don't forget to check our other materials on our website www.biview.com, visit our blog and of course follow us on LinkedIn, Twitter and Google+ for more useful sources.